This time we're going into a 1962 crawl space. So buckle up. Ready to go, buddy? Okay, let's see what we can find here. Right here I'm seeing galvanized pipe, and right away I'm seeing like a crusty ground cover. See all those like brown spots and black spots? That's all like evidence of moisture from sewer leak or water supply pipe leak. So let's take a closer look. And I noticed my headlight keeps flashing here. I think my light's about to go out. Okay, so now we just made it around those pipes. Now I want to see with this crusty, see all that crusty soil? What's going on here? Oh, there's the water on the ground. I can see it. And oh, there's the leak right there. Okay, so we have a water supply pipe leak. This is copper, and it is leaking. And it looks like somebody took a hose clamp that you would use on your car and wrapped it around the pipe to stop the leak. And right here, that looks like the shower pan starting to leak. Okay, moving on here. Let's get past this water leak and see what else is going on. Look at that cast iron pipe. That's all corroded right there. The trap and the rest of the pipe coming off the top also looks bad. And right there, we got galvanized straps on copper pipe. So that is not good. That's probably why that pipe's leaking. And there's some more right there. Okay, moving on here. It looks like Mars right here. Look at all these rocks. Kind of a pain in the butt to get around. So let's see. Get some pipe here. Okay. Oh, whoa. Hang on a second. Let's look up here. Look at the is that a hole in the floor? It is a hole in the floor. What the hell is going on here? What's that? There's a hole. Oh, shit. I can see the actual filter from the furnace. This is the return plenum pulling air from the crawl space. This is not a good condition to have. So any dusty, dirty air, whether it's moist or not, is going to get sucked into the house and run through your HVAC system. The easiest way to fix something like this is to put a piece of plywood over that hole and then seal off the plenum from the inside just under the furnace. Okay, now I see some clean copper. It's not black, that's a good thing. And it looks like it has blue stripes. That tells us we have type L copper, which is the thicker copper. It's the better stuff. So, oh, there you go again. More galvanized straps right there, right at that beam. I've said it before, I'll say it again. If you're going to hire a plumber, you need to make sure they are qualified to do the job. Or this is what you're going to get, a mess. Leaks, all kinds of problems. I'm looking up here and I'm seeing more copper, more galvanized straps, and discoloration on the pipe. As you can see there, you got clean copper on the right, and then you got dark copper on the left. So it's already starting to change color, which means it's like a cancer. It just kind of spreads through the pipe, and it eventually just, deteriorate the pipe and cause multiple leaks. I've seen this really bad so many times. It really does need to be corrected. However, this black pipe is probably going to have to be replaced anyway because it's already contaminated. There's more straps right there. Bad work. Okay, let's get moving here. I got to go back to the rear of the house now and check out what's going on there. And let's see what we got. Oh, there's more copper pipe. And yeah, we got some more black pipe too. It's changing colors anyway. It's not black yet, but it's getting there. And more galvanized straps. This is just ridiculous. A lot of cobwebs in this area. That tells me no one's been over here in quite some time. So part of my Crawlbot service is the cleaning service. We just kind of clear your cobwebs out with the camera. Anyway, yeah, it kind of sucks though because it kind of messes up my ability to see, as you can see right there. Looks like we had a drain pipe repair. Got some ABS plastic installed, connected to the old pipe. However, it looks like they used the wrong fitting. That should have a solid metal shield wrapped around it to keep it from sagging. All right, let's keep on moving here. I got one more corner to look at. Hopefully there's no more problems under here, or for the sake of this video, maybe there'll be another really good one, so hang on tight and watch to the end. That's some more ABS plastic there. Man, I'm getting a lot of cobwebs. God damn it. Damn you, Scuba Steve. Now I gotta clean the lens off. Now it looks like my little buddy needs a bath.